Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Basiline Villanueva, 42 years old, from Balagtas, Batangas City. I am married. I have 5 kids, 2 boys and 3 girls. I am the second of our 4 siblings. I have experience before in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as domestic helper. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. Ages 38 years old, 36 years old, 8 years old, 7 years old, and 2 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children. I pick up the children from the school, and I cook the children's food, and ironing clothes, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and many more. I really want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for the future of my children. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please hire me as your domestic helper because I am kind, honest, I am hardworking, I am responsible, trustworthy, and more patient. I'm looking forward to serve your family. I promise I will finish my contract with you. Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir. Happy to serve.